Welcome back to the channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, handyman, or someone who just loves having the right tool for every job, you're in for a real treat. In today's video titled Top 6 Essential DIY Tools You Must Have, we're showcasing some of the most reliable, innovative, and versatile tools on the market that are designed to make every task more efficient, from home renovation to outdoor adventures. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Mercenarys Survival Axe. Built with rugged outdoor use in mind, this full-tang tactical axe from HX Outdoors is crafted from high-strength stainless steel with a titanium-plated stone-washed surface. It's not just a blade, it's a hammer, a pry tool, and a survival companion all in one. With a solid 5mm thick blade and a robust G10 non-slip handle, it offers unmatched control and shock resistance. Whether you're chopping wood, setting up camp, or handling emergency situations, this multifunctional tool delivers. Measuring 33 centimeters in length and weighing around 742 grams, it includes a free leather sheath to protect the edge when not in use. Number 5. HILDA Laser Level. Perfect for construction layouts and interior renovations, this self-leveling 3D green laser level projects 12 lines for full 360-degree coverage. Its highly visible green laser works well indoors and outdoors. The compact 126 by 63 by 100 mm design makes it extremely portable while retaining industrial-grade precision. Ideal for hanging artwork, aligning tiles, or framing structures, this device comes with outdoor mode and tilt function features that make it a go-to choice for professional accuracy. Number 4. Mortise Jig Template. Tailored for woodworkers and door installers, this door mortise jig from Rubaludawals helps you carve perfect mortise slots for locks, hinges, and door handles. You can choose between a 3-bit or 6-bit option, both using tungsten steel cutters known for their strength and longevity. It clamps onto doors ranging from 3.5 centimeters to 10 centimeters thick, providing a steady hold for precision work. The set comes neatly organized in a hard plastic case, making it easy to transport and store. Number 3. Furniture Mover Set. Heavy furniture is no longer a problem. This transport lifter and corner mover roller set is your ultimate solution to moving bulky items like sofas, cabinets, and tables. Made from durable plastic and iron. Number 2. Contour Gauge Duplicator. For precision marking and measuring, especially around irregular shapes or curves, this plastic profile copy gauge is an essential addition to any toolkit. Made of sturdy ABS material, it can measure contours up to 150 millimeters wide. Its duplicator function allows for accurate tracing of moldings, pipes, and other complex shapes. Number 1. HYVST Spray Tool. Upgrade your painting game with the HYVST Universal Spray Guide tool, compatible with most 7/8-inch airless spray guns. It includes a 517 spray tip and a circular guide to help you apply paint precisely along edges and trims without overspray. Perfect for DIY decorators and professionals alike, it ensures clean, consistent results on every project. Built to endure constant use, this accessory is an ideal match for sprayers tackling both small touch-ups and large-scale jobs. Each of these tools brings unique value to your projects, whether you're working indoors, outdoors, in the shop, or on the move. From survival gear to painting perfection, these essentials will elevate your toolkit and save you time, energy, and frustration. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.